Hello, this is Layman's reaction to Cakra. This song is Make It Rain, and this was a request from Cynthia.
So this next song, actually this is one of my favorite songs as well. It's called Make It Rain. There's Ed Sheeran version or the original one for fans, if I'm not mistaken. Jadi lagu ini benar-benar kalau kalian dengerin aslinya sih, aduh, saya coba yang terbaik aja. I try my best, I hope you enjoy it. If you know this song, please sing along with me, even though I'm not there. Just sing with me. When the sins of my father break down in my soul, and the pains of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know that there comes fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, just the same, sing it. Make it rain, make it rain, oh, make it rain. Yeah, sing with me. Oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Oh, the seed needs the water before it grows out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting hard, and hunger more profound.
Uh, well, it's his favorite song. He's kind of smiling in there. So, if his favorite song, he's going to sing it well. Interesting lyrics on this. Yeah, let's just continue. This is good.
Well, I know that they can count tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain. And even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, just as I am, hey, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down on me. Just make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Where the seas are full of water, stops by the shore, just like the reaches of grandeur. No, 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 they never reach the port. Never. And let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning be the veins, and fill the sky with all that they can draw. When it's time to make a change, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Sing it loud. Oh, make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord, make it rain.
His voice it's got that an emotional element in it. It's built in. So when he sings a song, it's, I mean, you can just feel it. He's doing good with this one. This is, and it's a slow song, yeah, and it's got a really nice beat, melody to it. So with that coupled with his voice, this is a really good song.
Make it right, make it right down on me, Lord. Make it rain, make it right, make it right, make it rain down on me, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. If you listen to me, please sing this part. Come on, one more time. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Thank you. Cheers. Da.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay. What are you doing?
Thinking about going solar,
The thing is,
but not sure.
Switch screens on me here. All right. No, that's. I always like him singing, so this is good, and interesting song. I guess it was a good song to sing along. That's what he wanted. He wanted you to sing along. Nice. I like this. I hope you did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button.